Hey, if you want to add another user to your PC on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the Start taskbar, then go to the settings. Now from here, move to the accounts and move into the other users. From here, select Add Other User. And from here, we've got actually a couple of the options. The first one, you can actually input email or phone number of this person, but also you can sign in without this person information. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have to click on this phrase. Next, we can create account for this person, but also we can use this account without Microsoft account. So I have to click just right here. Next, you can set name for this account, and you can also input the password, but you don't need to actually. Then you'll have to click next, and as you can see right now, we successfully create another account on our PC. Also, we can change account type from the standard user to administrator. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.